Hello everyone, so in this video, we're going to be reviewing MemoCore. But before we get into that, a lot of you have been asking me how do I do this research so fast. I actually put together a complete guide that shows you my exact process. So links in the description down below for you guys to check out. And with that out of the way, let's get into the review. So as you can see right here, this is what it is. So as you can see, myantispyware.com actually exposed that this is a scam. So here are the facts that you need to know. So the site uses fake logos like CNN, Fox, and MIT for fake credibility. None of these outlets have never covered MemoCore. So all customer reviews are static, fake, and you can't leave your own. So the dramatic video never reveals the real secret, just as long as the sales pitch is for their supplement. And the product badges are certifications, just images, no real certificates, or clinical proof. So that is a red flag of this MemoCore. And if you actually search for MemoCore on Google, you can't find anything more about it since they might have been already taken down. And that is basically it, guys. So if you found this video helpful, please consider liking and subscribing.